Did you know that Benin is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Togo to the west, Burkina Faso and Niger to the north, Nigeria to the east, the Bight of Benin to the south. Benin is a small country, with an area of 112,622 square kilometers, 43,483 square miles. The highest point is Mont Sakbaro, which is 658 meters, 2,159 feet, tall. Benin also has over 120 kilometers, 75 miles, of coastline on the Bight of Benin. Did you know that Burkina Faso is a landlocked country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Mali to the north, Niger to the east, Benin to the south, Togo and Ghana to the southwest, Ivory Coast to the southeast. Burkina Faso is a large country, with an area of 274,200 square kilometers, 105,900 square miles. The highest point is Tenakuru, which is 749 meters, 2,457 feet, tall. Burkina Faso also has over 500 kilometers, 310 miles, of coastline on the Volta River. Did you know that Cape Verde is a country located in the Atlantic Ocean, off the coast of West Africa? It is an archipelago of 10 islands and 5 islets, divided into the Windward, Barlovento, and Leeward, Sotavento, groups. Cape Verde is a small country, with an area of 4,033 square kilometers, 1,557 square miles. The highest point is Pico do Fogo, which is 2,829 meters, 9,281 feet, tall. Cape Verde also has over 900 kilometers, 560 miles, of coastline. Did you know that Ivory Coast, officially known as the Republic of Côte d'Ivoire, is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Guinea to the northwest, Mali to the north, Burkina Faso to the northeast, Ghana to the east, Liberia to the south, and the Gulf of Guinea to the southwest. Ivory Coast is a small country, with an area of 322,463 square kilometers, 124,503 square miles. The highest point is Mount Nimba, which is 1,752 meters, 5,748 feet, tall. Ivory Coast also has over 500 kilometers, 310 miles, of coastline on the Gulf of Guinea. Did you know that Ghana is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Burkina Faso to the north, Togo to the east, the Gulf of Guinea to the south, and Côte d'Ivoire to the west. Ghana is a small country, with an area of 238,540 square kilometers, 92,100 square miles. The highest point is Mount Afajado, which is 885 meters, 2,904 feet, tall. Ghana also has over 500 kilometers, 310 miles, of coastline on the Gulf of Guinea. Did you know that the Gambia is the smallest country in mainland Africa? It is a narrow strip of land surrounded by Senegal on all sides, except for a short Atlantic coastline. The Gambia is a very flat country, with its highest point being only 53 meters, 174 feet, above sea level. The country is dominated by the Gambia River, which flows through the center of the country and provides a vital source of transportation and water. Did you know that Guinea, also known as Guinea-Conakry, is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Guinea-Bissau and Senegal to the north, Mali to the northeast, Côte d'Ivoire to the east, Liberia and Sierra Leone to the south, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Guinea is a small country, with an area of 245,857 square kilometers, 94,929 square miles. The highest point is Mount Nimba, which is 1,752 meters, 5,748 feet, tall. Guinea also has over 300 kilometers, 190 miles, of coastline on the Atlantic Ocean. Did you know that Guinea-Bissau is a small country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Senegal to the north, Guinea to the south and east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Guinea-Bissau is a small country, with an area of 36,125 square kilometers, 13,948 square miles. The highest point is Monte Torin, which is 262 meters, 860 feet, tall. Guinea-Bissau also has over 300 kilometers, 190 miles, of coastline on the Atlantic Ocean. Did you know that Liberia is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Sierra Leone to the northwest, Guinea to the north, Côte d'Ivoire to the east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the south. Liberia is a small country, with an area of 111,369 square kilometers, 43,000 square miles. The highest point is Mount Wetiv, which is 1,383 meters, 4,538 feet, tall. Liberia also has over 500 kilometers, 310 miles, of coastline on the Atlantic Ocean. Did you know that Mali is a large, landlocked country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Algeria and Mauritania to the north, Burkina Faso and Niger to the east, Côte d'Ivoire and Guinea to the south, and Senegal to the west. Mali is a large country, with an area of 1,240,192 square kilometers, 479,226 square miles. The highest point is Hombori Tanda, which is 1,155 meters, 3,789 feet, tall. Mali is also home to the Sahara Desert, which covers over two-thirds of the country. Did you know that Mauritania is the 11th largest country in Africa? It is located in northwest Africa and is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the west, Western Sahara to the north and northwest, Algeria to the northeast, Mali to the east and southeast, and Senegal to the southwest. Mauritania is a large country, with an area of 1,030,700 square kilometers, 400,000 square miles. The highest point is Kidiat Ijil, which is 915 meters, 3,002 feet, tall. Mauritania is also home to the Sahara Desert, which covers over 90% of the country. Did you know that Niger is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Libya to the north, Algeria to the northwest, Mali to the west, Burkina Faso and Benin to the south, and Chad to the east. Niger is a large country, with an area of 1,267,000 square kilometers, 489,000 square miles. The highest point is Mont Bagzane, which is 2,022 meters, 6,634 feet, tall. Niger is also home to the Sahara Desert, which covers over two-thirds of the country. Did you know that Nigeria is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Benin to the west, Niger to the north, Chad and Cameroon to the east, and the Gulf of Guinea to the south. Nigeria is a large country, with an area of 923,768 square kilometers, 356,669 square miles. The highest point is Chapal Wadi, which is 2,419 meters, 7,936 feet, tall. Nigeria is also home to a long coastline on the Gulf of Guinea, as well as several large rivers, including the Niger River. Did you know that Senegal is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Mauritania to the north, Mali to the east, Guinea and Guinea-Bissau to the south, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Senegal is a medium-sized country, with an area of 196,722 square kilometers, 76,000 square miles. The highest point is Mont Assiric, which is 674 meters, 2,211 feet, tall. Senegal is also home to a long coastline on the Atlantic Ocean, as well as several large rivers, including the Senegal River. Did you know that Sierra Leone is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Guinea to the north and northeast, Liberia to the south and southeast, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Sierra Leone is a medium-sized country, with an area of 71,740 square kilometers, 27,699 square miles. The highest point is Mount Bintamani, which is 1,948 meters, 6,391 feet, tall. Sierra Leone is also home to a long coastline on the Atlantic Ocean, as well as several large rivers, including the Rogel River. Did you know that Togo is a small country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Benin to the east, Ghana to the west, Burkina Faso to the north, and the Gulf of Guinea to the south. Togo has a diverse landscape, with coastal plains, hills, and plateaus. The highest point is Mont Agu, which is 986 meters, 3,238 feet, tall. Togo is also home to several rivers, including the Mono River and the Oga River.